Okay, so guys, this how to run analysis on proto structure. After you have modeled, after you've done all the modeling, putting your steel trusses on concrete top, or after you have applied your loads and everything, so we now want to analyze the building. So this is how to do analyzing proper analyzing. Model with your staircase, everything very nice. Your beams and columns to footings. Uh, there's such a huge building. You have to do proper analyzing, right? Okay, so first of all, to analyze, you need to set the parameters. So to do that, you come to setting, come to the setting here, and then you make sure all the codes apply to the standards, let's say to the country or the country design you are using. So here where our concrete design is aligned to the BS code, which we are using the BS 8110 to 1997, and then to the steel design code of BS 5950. Our loading code is to the BS2 wind load code and the rest. So here the most important thing we set is our column, beams, slabs, foundation, and the rest. So we come to our column. When you come to design, come to parameters, or then you come to rebar. You come to rebars. Okay, so when you come to your, this is the column, to you come to longitudinal bars. That's where you can set the minimum bar size you want and the maximum size. So let's say our column, we want the minimum size to be 13 mm, then we want the maximum to be 20 for column. Let's say the maximum should be 25. So you put a limit for Proto to be able to choose within the range that you have set for it. For wall bar sizes, we don't have wall reinforcement there, so we leave it there. Mostly with concrete cover, you leave it 0, then it will use the default of 25, right? Okay, so after we are done with this setting, you can also check the rebar detailings, how it will be detailed. We have the concrete, we have the column bar kicker depths, the mesh steel kicker depths, and the rest of them. You can go through, then you set them accordingly as how you want it to look when you detail it out. Okay, you have the schedule of all as the. All right, so we are done with the columns. You go to your beams, and in beams, when you change to come to parameters, as well parameters, you change your the steel diameter you want, the minimum and the maximum. So for our beams, I want the minimum to be 60 mm and the maximum should be 20 mm, right? Okay, we have the number of hangers in bar, then the diameter of your length diameter. We want the minimum to be 8 mm and the maximum of 10 mm. 10 mm. All right. So all this and that so okay, you leave it. This beams, you also go to beam detailing. You can go to the detailing, then you do the settings, set it appropriately. like how you want it to be. Alright, with your links pattern. Okay, this is how you want it to lap. Alright, so you go to the detailing. Go to the section. That's it. That's how I always want it to be. Okay, so after your beams, you go to the slab. You go to your slab. Then you set it as you want it to be. Create foundation. Alright, so after setting all to close, then you come and save it. You come and save all what you have done, the changes you have done. Now let's now analyze our building. We come to analyze building. Or you come here, come to the analyze building. Then we first of all check our building model. Let's check our building model. Alright, so our building model has been completed successfully. They say number of errors 0. So there's no error in our model. Alright, so we close that window and we now come to analyze building. So we click, then you mark all the analyzing with the steel design all. Then we start our analyzing. Alright, so our building has been analyzed successfully. So now we close it. We close it and we go and check our building. Right. Okay, so this is the analytical model. The analytical model of how our building is. Open our control map. This is what our control is telling us. So let's check the displacement. We click on this. We're going to check the displacement. You see the displacement on, then we let's animate it. Let's see how the building is going to be behaving due to the displacement or not. Right? Alright, so now this how our building is uh, after we have analyzed it. You see, everything has been analyzed successfully, including the steel, all has been analyzed successfully and that's passed. If you look at the key provided here, there is the design status. So the OK is deep green color, which tells us that our building is all is okay. We have done a great job. We've done a great job, right? We've done a great job. Good. All right. So let's check our detailings now. We come to analyze. Come to post analysis. We come to column design. Okay, all our columns are passed. Let's open one and see how it is. All right. So when you open, this is how the section is detailed. I think we can go to column analysis. Check our ministry. Alright, so our ministry has been successfully designed. Successfully. Okay. Okay, so guys, this is how to successfully analyze your building for, for every member to pass successfully without failing. If you really take your time, you do the analysis, you do the modeling, apply your loads. When you analyze it, you really have any member failing, which you have to suffer to spend more time again going to correct than those things. So always take your time to do the modeling and application of your loads properly. So if you have any question, please link up below and I'll try my best, of course, won't miss to answer you.